I'm recording a video. That way you can watch the lightning and stuff later too.
It's going really good over to the left. You're out here. Like the left and between them.
Man, this is insane. So you still have power and everything? Man, does it look like it's coming towards you, or?
No one's even like.
Holy crap!
No one has the power on.
Lightning like everywhere.
Power's out?
Yeah.
Yeah. Hey, everybody's power's out.
Whole Villagio's out. Everyone's outside. We should have a little party. That sounds like, yeah, that sounds like my old neighborhood back home. That really does. Small town, Cleburne, Texas. Everyone's outside on their front porches watching the lightning and the thunderstorm roll by. I keep wondering if I'm actually catching anything on this video. That was a really good one. Oh, you see it? Man, this is insane. Alright. Yeah, that's our little storm going on. We have no power. This is us. Yay.